Hello, this is Murphy. How to check your criminal record first, the United States. For all the applicants 18 or older who are going to apply for work, study, as well as PR applications, criminal check is one of the important requirements. They must submit police certificates from countries where they have lived in for 6 months or more to the immigration of where you are willing to work, study, or live. We are going to see how to get a police certificate from USA today. In the past, applicants had to submit paper forms only to FBI, and it took over 4 months to get the result from. Fortunately, as they began the online service from the beginning of 2018, the processing time has been shortened to 1 or 2 weeks. Let's get started! Step 1. Please get access to the website Electronic Departmental Order. Please check the below section for the website USL. If you see this page, you are on the right track. Scroll down and enter your email address carefully and press Submit. Step 2. Complete your application information form. You will receive an email titled Identity Story Summary Request within a couple of minutes. And please remember your PIN number or copy it. And click here. You might want to use Internet Explorer instead of Chrome or Safari browsers since the website is experiencing issues with them. Please hit Continue and you will see the page you require to put your PIN number. Please go ahead and log in. You must keep the email with PIN number if you are willing to continue the processing and check your application status. Last name, first name, date of birth, place of birth, U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident, country of citizenship, country of residence, prison number, social security number, sex, race, height, weight, eye color, hair color, reason for request. And put your mailing address. You should put the right and accurate address, otherwise you would not be able to receive your hard copy. Step 3. Select your preference. If you want to include your date of birth on your response, please select Yes. And if you want to receive your application status notification via email, please choose Yes. Lastly, if you want to get a hard copy response via mail, please select Yes. Step 4. Please submit your fingerprint. You can download the standard fingerprint form on the below section or on your application page. The FBI will process your request upon receipt of your completed fingerprint card in the date order it was received. If you are located in USA, you may visit a participating US Post Office location to submit your fingerprints electronically as part of your request. For employer and address, if you don't have any job, just write down unemployed. Please put your right and left hand fingerprints under each finger section. The first line is for your right hand, and the second line is for your left hand. The bottom line is for your both hands. Step 5. Submit your payment. After completing your application, please click Proceed to Payment and pay for your fee. If you have made successfully, you will receive a confirmation email, Identity History Summary Request Confirmation via email. Please print out the email and send it with your fingerprint card to FBI. After you mail them, please send an email including your tracking number, order number, and payment verification code to this email address. If you do that, an FBI officer seems to have access to your application easily. If your mail is delivered safely to FBI, you will get your response within 1 or 2 weeks via email. Of course, getting a hard copy may take longer. You can also check your status on the website with your PIN number. Thank you.